So here I have a smart TV, turns on, it goes into a boot mode, and you can see that it makes these weird kind of grid lines, and then it just goes and reboots. So we'll find out. This is an interesting problem. I haven't seen this before. It kind of goes weird, and then it could be a T-Con or main power supply board. I don't know. We'll have to have a look. Let's just open it up. Okay, so let's open it up. This is a clipless version. You can kind of just pry it, and then I like to use a marker to go around. Just put it in. And at the corner, just use the screwdriver.
Dad, make food. Daddy?
Huh?
I want you to make food.
Well, I'm busy now. It could be a main board problem. This is the UN58TU7000 FXZCS CC, sorry, BN94. So you may want to do that. It could be because this is also connects to this. It also, I've seen it that it's a bad LCD panel, and so what we can do is we can disconnect this ribbon cable and see if it doesn't reboot. So we'll disconnect this T-Con, and that's just going to do half the screen because I've seen many times it's always on this side. And then we'll just plug it in and retest it on, and you can actually see the glow of the LEDs down there. Here it turned on, and you can see this is not hot. That's good. Okay. It's not rebooting, so it does look like it's an LCD panel issue. So what I ended up doing is I put a little bit of tape to short out some of the connections here, and it's not turning off, so that's good. So on this side, it's usually over here. I don't know why. It seems like they're manufacturing it to fail, but you can see I put a little bit of Scotch tape just right there. You don't want it too thick. This is probably too thick, but you want to find one of these pins that they're shorting out, and that's why it's causing, like on the panel, it has a bad panel, right? So try to do that, and then you stick it just on those little connectors, like the ribbon cable side, and that will stop the connection, and then it won't detect the short, and then it won't reboot. So you can see that right there. I'm just going to make this a little bit thinner. We'll see if we can get it going there. Okay, so I have a really thin one, and you can see these guys. I just put it on the very first one there. We'll see if that works. And then we just stick it back in. And turn on the TV. It's the backlight went on. You can see the backlight's on. We can tilt up the TV so we can have a look. So it is given that thing. I do see some discoloration on the screen, but it looks like it is working. Let's go to the main menu. Interesting. It's only showing that. I can hear it moving, but it's actually not. That's weird why it shows that. And yet replacing the main board will not fix this issue. Because I actually have the exact same problem on the other TV. And so I actually have the main board, which is probably the most expensive board on the TV. Probably like, and then pop that on, and it's the same B916105. It has this weird thing, and then it turned off. You can see that? It just turned off. It's not a main board problem, because we got the same problem. So it is a bad panel. So I moved the tape, and it's a lot better now. You can just barely see the lines. But when you're far away, this looks perfect. It looks, before it was kind of like orange bleed there. And I taped basically that very first via over there, and that is where the short is. Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.